guys, welcome back to my channel Stay Gorgeous. Hope you all are doing well. I know you all are looking for this look, and I have just uploaded a tutorial on this look in my Instagram. So make sure you have followed me on Instagram, and my Instagram handle link will be given below in my description box. So guys, today we will talk about essential oils and their uses. Essential oils are compound which is extracted from plants, and they are mostly used in the practice of aromatherapy, and they are highly concentrated, so you have to use them either by inhaling or applying on your skin in diluted form. You cannot use them directly in your skin because I have said they are highly concentrated, so every time when you are going to use them, you have to dilute it with any neutral carrier oil or like cream, moisturizer or something like that. There are more than 90 types of essential oil, so it's next to impossible for me to buy those all and share with you all of them uses, and mostly their uses are same. You just have to use them according to your problem and requirements. And there are 3 essential oils which I have got in my hand. They are rosemary oil, lavender oil and lemongrass oil. They are from Good Vibes, which is an exclusive brand from purple.com. And the Good Vibe range is so good and affordable, and yes, I am going to share with you all of my Good Vibes haul. So on my today's video, I will talk about those 3 essential oils, and in my description box, I will try to list it down about more essential oils. And in the end of this video, I will share with you the cons, means side effects of essential oils. So before going to enter this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell, otherwise you'll miss my videos. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. So first we will discuss about rosemary oil. Rosemary is a culinary and healing herb, and rosemary essential oil is extracted from those. It helps to stimulate hair growth, so you can take benefit of this by oil massaging. For that you need one base oil, carrier oil and rosemary essential oil. As a base oil, I am using 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of cold pressed argan oil and 2 drops of rosemary essential oil. Use this oil twice in a week, previous night before using shampoo. As rosemary oil gives relaxation and acts as pain reliever. So if it's a really hectic day for you, you can simply dip your feet into lukewarm water, add some drops of your favorite body wash and few drops of rosemary essential oil, and relax for 10 minutes. It will help to rejuvenate your tired feet. And the aroma of rosemary will definitely give you some freshness. Besides hair and health benefit, rosemary helps to repel mosquitoes and insects. So you can make a solution by taking some water in a spray bottle and add 5 to 6 drops of rosemary oil. You can use it as mosquito killer by spraying all over the room. Lemongrass is tropical island plant in grass family, and lemongrass essential oil is blessings for oily skin because it's work great as oil control or sweat control. So you can take benefit of it by making a DIY toner. For that you need half cup of distilled water, 1 teaspoon of your regular toner or astringent and 3 drops of lemongrass oil. And you can use this toner daily for glowing skin. If you want to get shiny hair, so you can mix few drops of lemongrass oil with your regular shampoo in this way. The fragrance of lemongrass oil is my favorite one, so I use it with my regular body lotion. In the same way, you can use it with your moisturizer or night cream. Lavender essential oil is extracted from lavender flower. If you want to buy one must-have essential oil, then lavender essential oil will be that one. You can use it for each of the purpose what I have shown till now. Its calming property gives you relaxation, will help to fight with stress. So regularly I add few drops of lavender essential oil in my bath water. And it also helps to treat insomnia. So before going to sleep, I used to rub few drops of lavender essential oil on my pillow, and believe me, it gives a wonderful sleep. As I have dry and chapped lips, so I am mixing few drops of lavender essential oil in my lip balm, and this way I can smell it for whole night. So whenever it comes about side effects of essential oil, first of all, always you have to go for a patch test first, and never use essential oil in any sensitive areas like around your eyes. The second one, you have to remember they are only for external uses. Number 3, too much uses of essential oil can increase the toxicity in your body. And the last and most important point, people who are like pregnant women, children who are suffering from asthma, and people who are under chemotherapy, suffering from low blood sugar, they should use essential oils only under medical guidance. So guys, hope you all have enjoyed this video and this video is helpful for you. And if you have liked this video, then don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video. Share this video with your friends and family so that they could also get to know about essential oils. So I will come with my another video very shortly. Till then, tata, take care and bye bye.